Hello well fans, and welcome to another Why We Do the Trains Minecraft tutorial. Today we are building this North Carolina dot F59PH. So this is the locomotive. It comes with transport in North Carolina, and here's what it looks like. So let's get right into the build now. For the first step is take out gray concrete to start off. We want to have 2x5. Place it right here. By 5 of gray concrete. And let's make this metal section so that it's 25 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we want to 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Let's do the exact same thing right here. Add roll secondary wall right here. And do the exact same thing on the other side. Add another pair of gray concrete. And another pair. This. And let's place gray concrete on the sides right here, because this one's going to be a little bit different, and the front is going to be standard like this, but we'll also use smooth stone slabs right here, and we're going to go on the other side right here, and then go underneath right here, just like that. Once you have that, now we'll come around and make it 3 blocks wide of gray concrete. Add another pair of rows of gray concrete, just like this. Now let's go through the wheels, and then let's grab hoppers to start. So let's grab rows of hoppers. Let's grab a row of hoppers right here. Skip 2, add another pair. And let's add rows of stonework slabs. And do the exact same thing on the other side. Add 2 rows of hoppers. And skip 2, add another pair. Just like this. Just like this. Just like this. And then let's grab 2 rows of gray concrete. So let's grab that. We'll also need wither skeleton skulls. Okay, we need 2 rows of gray concrete. And then another one like this. And take rows of wither skeleton skulls on the sides and do the exact same thing right here, just like that. Now we'll come around here, add 4 of gray concrete, just like this. And let's grab another pair of gray concrete. And let's grab 4 stone brick stairs on the bottom corner for our fuel tank. And the other side, add another pair like this. And then next off, we're going to grab some acacia wood slabs. Let's grab that. Let's grab acacia wood slabs right here. You use like oak wood right here, but I'm using acacias on my floor. So let's grab all the way across right here using those oak, just like this. And then let's grab acacia fences on the sides. Now let's grab some stonework slabs here to be the couplers, and we want to attach that up. Plus, we also need trick bar hooks for our air brakes. And then let's go to the other side, just like this. And let's grab blue concrete to start the cab. So let's grab rolls of blue concrete. And then let's go over here, grab blue concrete. And let's grab yellow concrete for our star. And then blue concrete like this. Plus, we also need, now we're going to place rolls of, let's grab more rolls of glow ID frame for our dish lights. And let's grab more rolls of blue concrete again, because we want to make the rolls of L shape right here, just like this. And then another pair like that. Sideways between L shape like this. And let's grab rolls of yellow concrete for our North Carolina, because the left is going to be N and then the right is going to be C, just like this. And let's grab rolls of more pit stairs. We want to have about two, do exact same thing at 2. And then let's grab blue concrete. So let's grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm gonna come around. Let's grab blue concrete by 8. So let's grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then add button right here, and let's grab 2 of these, and then take 2 yellow concretes, 1, 2, and then 2 blocks tall of blue concrete up top. Let's go over here, do the exact same thing. Add 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then by 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And add 2. Add yellow concrete and 2 blocks tall of whoa. Let's grab 2 blocks tall of blue concrete, just like this. And we'll also go to extend this using blue concrete. And then let's grab rolls of blue concrete. And then we want to place one right here and one to the right. There's going to be 3 windows of our North Carolina as F59PH. Let's grab that right here, just like this. And then let's take blue concrete up top, and then sideways up warped slabs. And we want to extend it by 5. And then let's grab another one using blue concrete. And then let's grab another pair. Let's grab 3. And then let's grab some bedrocks. So let's grab some bedrocks. So let's grab 1, 2. And then other side by 2. And then let's take another row using 3 rows of blue concrete, and then place another pair, and then just like that. And then let's grab light gray concrete on the sides like this. Now go come around and let's grab light gray concrete all the way across like this. And then let's grab another row over here. Let's grab another row over here using light gray concrete all the way across right here. Just like this. Let's grab another row of light gray concrete all the way across. of our locomotive of our North Carolina F59PH. Just like this, we want to stop right in this area right here like this. Now let's grab black concrete this time. This one's going to be the black trim of our North Carolina. So let's grab 2 of these right here. This is going to be north. Skip 1, add 4 for Carolina. Do the exact same thing, add 2, and then 4. And then let's grab another pair. And then let's take all the way across using light gray concrete. Just like this. And we want to extend it using like that. And then let's grab another row of bedrocks. Let's grab 2 rows of bedrocks right here. And then add another pair. And then let's grab light gray concrete. And then let's go over here. This one is going to be different. But this one's going to be 3. And then this one's going to be light gray concrete. Then let's grab what else? This one's going to, let's grab 4. And then let's grab another pair like that. Let's grab light gray concrete and then bedrocks. And the rest is going to, whoa, not the white concrete. That was a mistake. Let's grab rows of light gray concrete. And this one's going to be just like this. And then let's grab them right here, all the way across right here. And then let's grab like that, all the way across like this. Just like this. Now we'll come around and fill all the rest using light gray concrete. Let's grab that. And let's grab bedrocks right here. And light gray concrete. Add 4 bedrocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then light gray concrete like this. What else is next? And let's grab 2 bedrocks right here. This one let's grab just like this. And extend it using light gray concrete all the way across right here. Now I'm going to come around and let's grab blue concrete all the way across right here. Just like this. And then let's grab light gray concrete for our roof right here until we start whole interior of our North Carolina F59PH. All the way across right here using light gray concrete. All the way across right here. Right behind where we place that blue concrete. All the way across like this. Once you have that, now go come around and go to the back. And let's grab light gray concrete. And then let's grab rows of stone brick slabs right here. Just like this. And then let's grab acacia wood fence, and then destroy right here, and then let's grab black stained glass pane, and then let's grab more rows of stone brick slabs. It's gonna be sideways, and let's grab all the way across right here, and then let's grab more rows of stone brick slabs all the way across like that. Now, next we'll go to, and let's go over here, and let's grab more rows of stone brick slabs, and then skip 1, add 4 rows of stone brick slabs, and add 2. Now go come around and let's grab iron trapdoors for our fans. And let's grab all the way across using like that. And then let's grab more rows of stonework. So let's grab warped slabs like this. Perfect. And then finally, let's grab rolls of white stained glass block for our ditch light right here, for our headlights right here. Now I'm gonna come around and let's grab blue carpet, and we want to extend it like this. Just like this. Now let's grab some iron bars and then black stained glass pane. Just like this. And like that. And then let's grab some iron bars right here, where this barrack right here is going to be connected right here, and then another one. Just like this, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Just like this. Just like this. Just like that. Perfect. Alright, so that is pretty much it on how to build this North Carolina dot F59PH. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have it, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe while do trends YouTube, so I'll be posting more videos in the future. And I will see you guys next time. So